Quantitative determination of an antiviral drug ganciclovir by redox-based spectrophotometric method. By Narparaju Swati, Balla Karuna Devi and Anumolu Durga Pani Kumar. Ganciclovir functions as an antiviral medication crucial for averting cytomegalovirus disease among recipients of bone marrow and solid organ transplants. Furthermore, it plays a pivotal role in managing individuals with compromised immune systems by combating viral infections effectively. This study aims to develop and validate a simple, rapid and sensitive redox-based spectrophotometric method for the quantification of ganciclovir in pure and pharmaceutical dosage forms. The development process involved utilizing 0.1 mHCl as the solvent along with a combination of ferric chloride and 1,10-phenanthroline as the chromogenic reagent. After development, the method underwent optimization across various conditions to ensure its efficacy, followed by rigorous statistical validation. Based on the optimization studies, it was determined that the optimal composition for the method included a mixture containing 0.3% Wv of ferric chloride and 0.5% Wv of 1,10-phenanthroline with a drug-to-reagent mole ratio of 0.5. When measured at 510.0 nanometers, the method exhibited linearity within the concentration range of 5.0 to 30.0 microgram per milliliter for ganciclovir. Demonstrating its sensitivity, the method showcased a low limit of detection and quantification values, recorded at 0.30 and 0.90 microgram per milliliter, respectively. The validation parameters of the method were found to align with the standards outlined by the ICH guidelines. With a % assay value of 99.2, the method demonstrated its suitability for pharmaceutical formulation analysis. The simplicity of the developed method renders it suitable for application in quality control testing of ganciclovir within formulations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.